Welcome to our video presentation on the road to the building energy management. In this business case, we are tackling a massive challenge involving 4,000 buildings, 14 government departments, hundreds of energy efficiency measures, and one platform. Our goal is to unlock the greatest value from energy information and facilitate building energy management in a public context. Especially, we are focusing on improving the identification of energy efficiency measures and their impact in most of the public buildings owned by the Catalan Government through consumption monitoring. The data we are working with encompasses various aspects, ranging from building descriptions and energy efficiency measures applied to the buildings to hourly electric consumption and weather conditions. To achieve our objectives, we have divided the goals of this business case into two different use cases. Use case 1, called benchmarking and monitoring of energy consumption in public building, in which we compare buildings based on their energy consumption. We aim to establish benchmarking practices to identify areas for improvement. In use case 2, which is about energy efficiency measure, registration and evaluation, in this case, our focus is on building a repository of energy efficiency measures to evaluate their impacts on achieving the energy savings. We want to ensure that the implemented measures yield the desired result. Key features of these business cases include an open big data infrastructure to consolidate all building data in a single location and enabling performance monitoring, building energy benchmarking utilizing the data developed within the project, and finally, continuous data collection from various sources, including the energy consumption, the investment in the energy efficiency measures, and user information. The main actors who interact with the energy management tool are around 100 energy managers. By leveraging these resources and implementing our comprehensive energy management platform, we aim to drive significant improvements in the energy efficiency within the public sector of the Catalan Government. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards more sustainable and efficient buildings. In this use case, the overall objective is to provide public authorities and energy managers with a platform equipped with automatic tools to effectively manage their energy performance of their building. The key target is to process a significant amount of data from various databases and sources, providing qualified and useful information to enhance decision-making processes in building energy management. One of the tools offered is energy performance benchmarking. By normalizing building conditions for effective comparison and classification, energy managers and public authorities can monitor the energy performance of their buildings and gain insights into why some buildings consume more or less under similar conditions. Another valuable tool is the analysis of trends in building energy performance. This feature showcases the evolution of building performance indicators, enabling energy managers to track improvements or worsening trends over time. It helps to evaluate the real impacts of energy efficiency measures and identify and rectify any deteriorating situations within a building. A centralized data repository has been created to improve buildings' energy management. This repository includes energy consumption data, building properties, energy performance certificates, and even more. This data feeds into AI tools developed during the BIGG project. These AI tools automate data analysis and enable advanced building benchmarking, simplifying decision-making processes for energy managers. Through the BIGG project, this technical solution empowers public authorities and energy managers with the tools necessary to manage the energy performance of their public buildings more efficiently and effectively. In this case, our primary goal is to build a structured database that stores energy efficiency measures and evaluates their impact on achieved energy savings through the processing of energy consumption data. This database also includes an easy-to-interact interface for building and energy managers to build. By implementing this database, we expect to obtain more detailed information on energy efficiency measures by registering the data in a structured manner. This will enable us to capture and map information on the improvement actions, enhance statistical analysis of registered energy efficiency measures to extract valuable insights for informed decision-making, and improve the accuracy of the savings evaluation. To achieve this objective, our technical solution involves the creation of a centralized data repository that houses energy consumption data, building properties, energy performance certificates, and any other relevant information obtained in use case 1. This repository fits into AI tools developed as part of the BIGG project. These tools automate data analysis and enable advanced building benchmarking, ultimately facilitating decision-making for building and energy managers. We are proud to share that our project has already made significant progress in how information is gathered, stored, and processed. This progress is particularly evident in the case of energy efficiency measures data collection. Our organization, ICAEN, is responsible for promoting and tracking energy savings in publicly owned buildings, mainly of the Catalan Government and the depending public entities. Previously, gathering this data was a daunting task that involved handling hundreds of energy managers. Encouraging them to provide the data and ensuring that they recorded it properly was a challenge. Before the BIGG project, the best solution that we had relied on a large Excel file, where managers filled in various columns with limited mandatory requirements. This approach had its limitations, as users had the flexibility to input data on their capabilities and time constraints. As a result, there was a significant margin of error, and data had to be extensively cleaned and merged by ICAEN to obtain a comprehensive overview of the implemented actions across the Catalan Government. However, with the implementation of the BIGG project, we have developed a platform that revolutionizes the way data is collected and managed. The platform allows users to register buildings, record energy efficiency measures implemented in those buildings, and browse existing measures. It has become a powerful tool for ICAEN to prompt energy managers to record their actions accurately. With this platform, data is automatically associated with the respective building and assigned to the correct entities within the Catalan Government. This eliminates the need for extensive data cleaning and post-processing by ICAEN, saving countless hours of work. Moreover, the platform minimizes data loss by providing an easy-to-use system that is continuously accessible for energy managers to log data. It ensures a standardized format for data collection by requesting only essential information when recording the new measures. Now let's take a look at this figure, which showcases the results already collected by the platform from the year 2021 onwards. These results are aggregated by the departments of the Catalan Government, giving us valuable insights into the progress made in energy efficiency measures across different sectors. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards more efficient and sustainable energy management within the Catalan Government.